Hi, today we're going to see how to create an Inception effect in GIMP. So I will put the link of this image in the description box. So first we need to add an alpha channel to this layer here. So right click and then add an alpha channel. And now duplicate this layer. Click on this icon here. This, and now select the flip tool. Make sure in the tool options the direction is horizontal. Left click here. And now go to layer, transform, and then rotate 90 degrees clockwise. And now go to view. Make sure the snap to Canva edges is checked here. And now select the move tool. And now let's move this layer. Make sure these corners here, these edges here are aligned. So like this. And now select the free select tool. And now we're going to make selection from this corner here, the bottom left corner to the top right corner here. So like this. Make sure the selection goes through where the two layers cross here, like this. Here and now here. And now just close the selection, click here, and then here. Now press enter, and then press the delete key on your keyboard. So here it is. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And then right click on this layer here, and then layer to image size. And now I'm going to hide this layer here. Select the original layer here, the original image here, and then duplicate it. And now go to the flip tool, select the flip tool again, left click on it, make sure the direction is horizontal, and then go to layer, transform, and this time rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise, like this. And now select the move tool here, and now move the corners here, make sure the corners are aligned here. And now select the free select tool. And now we're going to make selection from this corner here, from this edge to this edge here. So make sure the selection goes through where the two layers crosses here, like this and here. So here I think it's fine. And now just close the selection. So I'm going to adjust a little bit this one here, like this. So here it is. And now press enter. And now press the delete key on your keyboard to delete the selection. And now go to select, none to remove the selection. And then right click on this layer, layer to image size. And now let's show the top layer here. So here, as you can see, we're going to remove the sky here from this layer and just leave the sky of the original layer. So let's show both of these top layers here. So select the rectangle selection tool. And now I'm just going to make selection here, like this. So here. And now press enter to confirm selection. And now select the top layer and then press the delete key, like this. And now select the bottom layer here, this one here, and then press the delete key. So as you can see, we removed the sky from both of these layers. Now let's show the bottom layer here again, and now go to select, none to remove selection. And now I'm going to merge down all these layers. So select the top layer. So click on this icon here, and then a second time. And now I'm going to add some contrast to this image here. So go to colors, curves, and now I'm just going to make an S curve here like this. So uncheck the preview here to see the before and after. So you can increase. And now I'm going to sharpen this image here. So press OK. And now I'm going to duplicate this layer. Click on this icon here. And then go to filters, enhance, high pass. And now increase the STD here a little bit here. And then the contrast too, increase a little bit. So like this. And then press OK. And now change the layer mode to overlay. So here, as you can see, it increased the colors and it sharpened the image. So press the plus key on your keyboard to zoom in. So if I hide the high pass layer, so here's the before and after. Press the minus key on your keyboard to zoom out. You can also play with the opacity here of the high pass layer, like this. So for example, I will leave it here to 74 here, and then right click here, and then new from visible. And here it is. That's how you can create an Inception effect in GIMP. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day, and till next time.